Viparit Raj Yoga means opposite Raj Yoga. Raj Yoga sounds good to hear, but we forget the Viparit or opposite. So the Viparit Raj Yoga is formed when the situation of human being becomes opposite. All the works start happening opposite. Then it becomes yoga. The Viparit Raj Yoga is related to the 6th, 8th and 12th house of the horoscope. If the planet of the 6th house sits in the 6th, 8th or 12th, then the Viparit Raj Yoga is formed. The planet of evil spirit is making this Raj Yoga with its evil sitting in bad house. There is a condition with this that the ascendant should also be strong in the horoscope. Now see that this is the horoscope of a Scorpio ascendant. The 8th house here is the sign of Gemini. It is the house of Mercury. If Mercury sits in the 6th, 8th or 12th, then the Viparit Raj Yoga will form. But if Mars is in 6th, 8th or 12th, then ascendant will be weak. Then this Viparit Raj Yoga will also be weak. Now see another example. It is the horoscope of the Aries ascendant, in which there is a Virgo zodiac in this 6th house. The planet of Virgo is Mercury. If Mercury sits in the 6th, 8th or 12th, then it will create Viparit Raj Yoga. But together it should also be seen that if there is Mars in the horoscope of Aries ascendant, then ascendant should also be in good position. From another example, let's understand that as Leo is the ascendant horoscope, then in the 6th house Capricorn will come, which is the sign of Saturn. Now if Saturn is in the 6th, 8th or 12th, then Saturn will create Raj Yoga. See another example, as Sagittarius is the ascendant horoscope and there is Taurus in the 6th house, which is the sign of Venus. Now if Venus is in the 6th, 8th or 12th house, then it will create Viparit Raj Yoga. If Mars is in the 6th, 8th or 12th, then it will also create this Viparit Raj Yoga. But sometimes this Viparit Raj Yoga is also dissolved. The dissolution of Raj Yoga does not mean that the planet will stop giving its influence. He will continue to give his influence. Now I will give you information about how the Viparit Raj Yoga is disturbed. In Kali Yuga, the opposite Raj Yoga is very important. If you are like a saint or monk, if your nature is such that the others should not be bad, if you cannot do evil to others to do your good, then this Raj Yoga cannot give you much more benefit. It is written in the name of Viparit Raj Yoga that if the opposite is going directly, then you go in reverse. It is called Viparit. If the evil planet makes his personality strong by sitting in bad house, then evil will dominate him. And with that evil, he will go in the society and get happiness for himself. If he continues to do evil to others for his own benefit, then this Raj Yoga is implemented here. So it is wrong to say that everything will be good in Viparit Raj Yoga, because it is born due to evil. In today's era, the work that we do may be benefiting for us, but it is also harming someone else. Unlike Raj Yoga, which is in the horoscope, it touches many more heights. Now this Viparit Raj Yoga will be dissolved if it aspect either Jupiter or Mercury. Now you will think that why Venus cannot dissolve this yoga? Then you will have to know that if this yoga is formed, then enjoyment will increase. Happiness will increase, and if Venus represents it, then he cannot dissolve this yoga. Jupiter and Mercury are considered to be the image of Lord Vishnu. So Jupiter and Mercury remove evil from where they are seen. Now let me tell you why this Raj Yoga is disturbed by these two planets. Viprit Raj Yoga, which works in the horoscope, runs opposite to the wall, country and family. It goes completely the opposite if there is this yoga in your horoscope. And you say, if I do not do this, then this yoga will not work properly in your horoscope. For those who are gangsters, thieves, robbers, it acts as a way of giving power and gives pleasure to them. If you want to get something by following the right path, then this Viprit Raj Yoga will not work much more for you. Now this yoga is taking birth due to evil, and if the aspect of the Jupiter falls on it, if Lord Vishnu is aspect, then absolutely those evil will be reduced. If any bad planet is aspect by the Jupiter, then his bad effects are reduced. The evil planets are sitting in bad houses. So this yoga is being formed. Now due to aspect of Guru or Mercury on it, those evil planets give up their evil or reduce it, reduce sin effects, leave sin effects, and make a pure impact there. This Viprit Raj Yoga is dissolved. Now the question in your mind will be, if Jupiter and Mercury are creating Viprit Raj Yoga, if Viprit Raj Yoga is being formed due to Jupiter and Mercury aspects on him, then it will dissolve opposite Raj Yoga. If the Viprit Raj Yoga is being formed due to Mercury and the Jupiter aspect on him, then this Viprit Raj Yoga will be dissolved. But due to both Mercury and Jupiter, Viprit Raj Yoga is being formed. And if neither of them is aspect, then this Raj Yoga will not be disturbed. If Saturn creates Viprit Raj Yoga, it makes a person very bad. But if Jupiter creates Viprit Raj Yoga, Jupiter makes the mind of man very sharp. He becomes a mastermind in evil, in front of whom there are no well-educated people could have survived. He is illiterate yet makes bad plans with his intellect and is also successful. If Mars creates Viprit Raj Yoga, then his mind will go a long way in fighting and fighting. So you know that the Viprit Raj Yoga is disturbed by the aspect of these two planets. And if both of them are creating Viprit Raj Yoga and they are not aspecting each other, then this yoga will make you a dangerous mastermind criminal. Viprit dissolution of Raj Yoga means that now that planet can give auspicious results. If you do more good, then the strength of that planet will increase. Then you do not need to take much tension. You can get benefit from good work too. So that's it for today. Keep watching our channels for more information. Thank you.